School bag in hand, she leaves home in the early morning, waving goodbye with an absent-minded smile. I watch her go with a surge of the well-known sadness, and I had to sit down for a while. The feeling that I'm losing her forever, and without really entering her world, I'm glad whenever I can share the laughter, that funny little girl. Slipping through my fingers all the time, I try to capture every minute, the feeling in it. Slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what's in her mind? Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on growing, slipping through my fingers all the time. Sleep in our eyes, her and me at the breakfast table, barely awake, I got precious time go by. Then when she's gone, there's that melancholy feeling, and that sense of guilt I can't deny. What happened to those wonderful adventures, the places I had planned for us to go? Well, some of them I did, but most we didn't, and why I just don't know. Sometimes I